Ambassador Dr. Marcelo Okechukwu-Ezemoye, and the name of the company is Easy Organic Food Mart. Is sponsored or operated by Easy Mass Corporate Concepts Limited, which is registered with Corporate Affairs Commission since year 2003. Now, one message I want to send across is that if you do not address the way we eat, we will have a greater problem more than Boko Haram, because this is health issue. Just like the Chinese are not addressing the way they eat, they're eating rat and rabbit, they're eating cockroaches and all this. We don't know where this coronavirus came from, and it's eating everybody. So let's address ourselves back to the original of eating organic, so that at least we can be sure that we are healthy, our immune system are strong, and the rest of them. He said, eat your food as your medicine. In other words, eat organic. Otherwise, you end up when you're sick to eat your medicine as your food. So whichever way you cannot escape it. The best thing is for us to eat our food as our medicine. Eat like beautifully anything you see in Easy Organic Food Mart, because they have been tested and approved and satisfied. These are all my collaborators. These are the people we work with: medical doctor, farmer stroke, organic input supplier. Anything you want on organic input, we get it from them. We give their product to our farmers to farm. And these are the therapists, those who tell us what alternative medicine. Yeah, they cure a lot of things through their machine. And the machines are mostly with stones that are natural and has effects, healing effects. We don't know, but they have discovered all that, and they brought it in a format that is acceptable to all of us. So if you can't buy a machine, and how many can you buy to put in your house, you can come here and make use of 3 or 4 or 5. We'll be increasing the number of machines as we go along. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to Organic Dicen. And with this, on this note,
my name is Simeon Igbe. Our message to our listeners and to the audience, and of course especially our consumers, is that if you imbibe the culture of making use or consuming organic produce, it is good for health. You live longer, comparable, less sicknesses, as we are seeing. Most of us, as we are here, we live on organic produce. That is what we consume. And as we are telling you, right now, as we've gotten the organic produce being produced organically, we are also having organic water. We take organic water for a living, and it is very healthy. You understand? So the whole ranges of what we want as consumers is available organically.
thank you.
Products that we find in the organic mall by Easy Foods is called organic products, especially from the farm produce. It's simply because the MD of Easy Foods have identified a partnership with AAC Miracle Feeders Limited, a company from Thailand that has all the organic inputs that one will ever need. For instance, in most cases, people will ask for organic fertilizers and they will be able to get it. But the ideal thing is that when you are farming organically, you got to have organic herbicide, you got to have organic fertilizers, you got to have organic insecticide, you got to have organic pesticide, and equally you got to have organic animal vitamins, and also we have organic soil rejuvenator. So these are comprehensive organic input that we have gotten in Africa, not only in Nigeria, in Africa as a whole. This is the first company ever, AAC Miracle Feeders Company is the first company ever, as we are talking right now, in the world, among the first company that could be counted as company that has comprehensive organic input in the world. We are not only talking of Africa. And as we are talking to you, a lot of farmers are using this product to farm on their farmlands. And of course, in Eze Food here, if you see yam, if you see tomatoes, if you see vegetables, you got to understand that most of this produce were produced by the use of organic fertilizers, organic herbicide, organic insecticide were put together as input that made the organic product that are here on the shelves of Eze Foods organic food mart to be here. So sincerely, we are saying that Nigeria and the world, Africa as a whole, and the world in general are talking about growing organic. If we are to grow green, we must have to use organic input to make it a greenery scenario in all cases, in all produce that we produce. For instance, the input that we are using have been used virtually in all states in Nigeria. There is no state at the moment that we are talking that has not come closer to the input, the organic input that we have. So we are encouraging all the farmers in Nigeria to imbibe the culture of using organic input that have comprehensive ranges so that they can benefit from the need to sell those that are produced locally for us to consume without health challenges. And equally, the world is talking about export of produce, and this is the only means by which we can be able to export to countries around the world. So if all of us as Nigerians were able to imbibe the use of organic input, of course we are going to places. We have been talking of health challenges in Nigeria after usage of a lot of certain conventional input that has been causing us a lot of health challenges. But with the use of this organic comprehensive input, most of those cases will be reduced. This is just the beginning. We are going to places.
Show them.
Yes, you can see the organic fertilizers here. These are organic fertilizers. In fact, this is nano organic fertilizer. Why it is called nano? Because you can make use of it very little and you achieve wider results. For instance, if you see this 1 liter can cover 8,000 hectares at a blow.
8,000 hectares.
I mean 8 hectares. Sorry, 8 hectares at a go. Sorry, 8 hectares at a go. And of course, if you look at this alone, what it will give you in terms of package of fertilizers, this is about 30 bags of fertilizers. Yes, 30 bags if you can compare this. So you can imagine it is nano technology. This technology have taken our company in Thailand over 35 years to come up with this. In fact, in the world today, nanotechnology in agriculture is very, very less. But we have gotten it from Thailand and we want to bring it here in Nigeria. And of course, what we are saying is to add value to it, as we have been talking about local content. In a very short while, this company will start to produce here in our country, Nigeria. And of course, that will mean a lot of job for many people and a lot of distribution to many countries. And we are thinking of going to other countries, especially in Africa, and then to other parts of the world.
Thank you very much.
Like the last speaker rightly said, he made mention of taking organic water. Most of the water we take now is a chlorinated water, and chlorine is very dangerous for the liver. It's highly very imperative that we all resort to taking organic products, because organic products are totally free from chemicals. 90% of the foods we take, 90% of the drugs we take interact with a part of the liver called hepatic cystochrome P450 isoenzymes, and it damages the liver cell. So if you want to live long, I can assure you all you need to do is to stay with organic products. Eze Organic Shop has provided everything you need health-wise in terms of foodstuffs and the rest that can help you live an organic life. That is a life that is totally free from intake of chemical substances. A patient walked into my medical center. I discovered that her problem is not just, she was even thinking maybe it's a witchcraft attack and all the rest, but after the test we conducted, we discovered that there was a heavy pileup of toxins in the liver. Now, when you have a pile-up of toxins in the liver, I want you to understand that the liver controls virtually all the organs of the body. If the liver is having a problem, you're going to have a problem in the brain. If the liver is having a problem, you're going to have a kidney problem. Whatever problem the liver has, it transmits it to other organs of the body. So, like, she showed us a product there that is for detoxification and for general cleansing. I strongly advise that from time to time, intermittently, at least once in 2 months, you should get that product to detoxify your system and get it totally free and rid of chemical substances. With this, you will be able to live long. You'll be able to decongest the toxic radicals in your cells, in your tissues, and live a very free and a happy life. So I say yes to consumption of organic products, and I also say yes to Eze Organic Shop. Thank you.